What is your name? What time is it? What are you doing right now? What are your favorite sports? What was the result? What was the weekend like? What will be the weather tomorrow? What do you recommend? What time does he start work? What happened at the meeting? What did you eat? What will you do tomorrow? What will you study next year? What can I do for you? What have you learned today? What should I wear to the party? What have they decided? What would you like? What should be our next step? What must I do to register? What could be the reason? What were they talking about? What would make you happy? What does it mean? What were the main reasons? What am I doing wrong? What are they planning? What does she usually wear? What TV shows do you watch? What must we do immediately?